Hello, this is Marianne from Colorantic. So today I want to talk to you about our products, our wax brushes. So the first one is called 16mm wax brush, and this smaller size is mainly used with our 4 ounces containers. We also have a second one, which is called XL wax brush. It's a bit bigger, and it's mostly used with our 8 ounces container of wax. So how do you apply wax on your piece of furniture? You do circle movements, and then you want to try to avoid circle after. You want to apply it with a linear effect movement and follow the wood grains. And then after that, after applying the natural clear wax, it becomes clear on your piece of furniture, even if it looks white in the container. You want to use a darker wax with a second brush. The reason why we are not using the same wax brush, it's because all the waxes have pigments, and it's harder to remove on your wax brush when you clean it. Then you can apply the darker wax, such as the black or the brown, and then you do circle like that, and you apply over the natural wax. A good way also to avoid having the wax stay longer and greasy on your furniture is that after you apply the natural wax, you want to use a damp cloth, a white damp cloth, and erase and remove the exceedant of the wax. And then after, you can apply your darker wax over your natural wax, your clear wax, and it will give a much more natural effect. And if you use the dark wax by itself without a natural wax before, it can leave spot. So you want to try to avoid this kind of spot effect. So that's why we recommend using a natural wax before. If you forget, don't worry, it's not a big deal. What you can do after applying your dark wax is only to use the natural wax after, and then over the dark wax, and after you remove the exceedant, and it will correct the effect. So how do the last question we get often is how to clean your wax brush. The wax are greasy, and it's a grease wax, so it's harder to remove. That's why we recommend purchasing 2 wax brush. So how to clean it is to use one of our mango soap. It has pumice inside, little grains of it's like white grains inside, and it gives like a friction on your bristles when you clean it. So we have 2 sizes of mango soap, and it's the 8 ounces jars, and we have for bigger projects and people crafter who do lots of projects, we have a 32 ounces jars, container bottles. So thank you for watching. I invite you to give us a call if you have any question during weekdays. We have a team at Colorantic that can answer all your questions. We also invite you to visit our website, colorantic.com. And also we add many blogs, articles every week on our website. So take a peek and go and read about our blogs, and we invite you to stay there for the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.